On the roof, the man kept hearing strange noises. When he checked, he found a nest of tiny creatures, so small their eyes hadn't even opened. He didn't know what they were, but he knew one thing. If left alone, they'd either freeze or starve to death. So, he decided to take them in. Under the care of him and his wife, the babies grew up healthy and even became close friends with their family dog. It wasn't until later that they discovered the animals were raccoons. Though they had grown fond of them, they knew the wild was their true home. With heavy hearts, they planned to release them back into nature. As adorable as they were, raccoons are not easy housemates. They're mischievous and destructive, capable of turning the whole house upside down. It was love that made them take the babies in, and it was love that taught them to let go for the good of those little lives.